Namaskar, children. So, firstly, I want to congratulate each one of you for such a wonderful student-led initiative. So now I'm very curious and I want to know how did it all start? Yes, so Trishna, can you throw some light on it?
Yes, ma'am, sure. So, ma'am, the idea occurred to me when my dad was speaking to our personal driver, and he told him that, his eyesight was very poor and was very weak. So, my dad obviously inquired that, why didn't you get your eyes checked? And he said that he thought it was not important. So, that was obviously his carelessness. And so, after that, the idea occurred to me that not only the driver at my home, not only my safety, but everybody's safety, all the school children, everybody who takes an e-rickshaw, who takes an auto, everybody's safety matters. And I think our safety is also linked to the driver's eyesight, because if there's poor eyesight, then it can, cause accidents also. So that is why this idea came to me, and I partnered up with like-minded people who have obviously contributed so much, and we basically came up with the idea. We formed a more concrete idea, and we approached to chairperson ma'am and we told her everything, Madhu ma'am, and she encouraged it, and now we're here.
Very good. So yes, Bhumika, would you want to add something?
So definitely, as she said, she described this whole idea to us, and listening to it, it was a very fun and creative minded idea. So we really wanted to put some hands to it and wanted to grow this idea. So with this, we created 4 committees, which are the planning committee, the marketing committee, the logistics committee, and the finance committee. So according to our expertise and according to whatever we are interested in, we joined the different committees, and under the guardianship of chairperson ma'am, we expanded this idea. So to grow this idea, then we also approached to the different optical shops and to also our teachers, expanding this idea, telling more and more people to join in this. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Aditi, would you like to join in the
I would
conversation?
like to add one more thing. Like also to provide more exposure, we tied up with the PAL NGO under the Bhagwati Lal Live Foundation, which helped us a lot, and now we are here.
Very well.
Well, it is well versed that social knowledge is much better than the bookish knowledge, and it's good to see that Indian High School is indulged in such activities. Prior to this free eye checkup donation, we have also organized cancer awareness program, and we are looking forward to organize much more event. And we have Shivangya who will lead us.
Yes, namaskar.
So now, Shivangya, what was your role in the entire initiative?
As Bhumika said that there were 4 teams, and I was leading the finance team because I am from commerce background.
Oh, wonderful.
So,
experiential knowledge.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, learning by doing.
Like we had many great ideas, like collecting funds from teachers, donating our money, and asking for optical shops to donate their spectacles and anything they can under their possibilities. And we really wanted to expand this organization and grow it to much greater heights.
Wonderful, wonderful initiative.
Over to Khushi.
Yes. Okay, now I want to understand one more thing. That now, what are your plans, your future plans? I can see an entrepreneur in each one of you. So I would want to know your future plans, future initiatives rather.
On this, so ma'am, as you know that we have already conducted a cancer awareness program, and we are conducting this eye care program now, and in the future we are thinking of putting up a camp on first aid, where the students are going to learn CPR and the basic first aid, so that we can help public in any emergency conditions. So that's what we have planned.
Okay, very well said. I am also looking forward to seeing such more initiatives.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rudraj. So what was your role? Elaborate on that also.
Well, ma'am, I was a part of the marketing crew, and as the name suggests, we worked on making everybody known about this program. First of all, me and another fellow student, Yalna, we designed these flyers that we handed out to all of the drivers. We went in rounds across Dwarka and across our own school, advertising this, collecting contribution, and of course inviting the drivers to this. Even on this event, I have also been providing tech support for the entire team all the way through, and I've also been managing the records of all of these drivers.
Very well said. So then what I can gaze around is that yes, it is well said that alone we can do little, but together we can do a lot more. And children, whether it was presenting or whether it was, going out and venturing out and all. So you people have learned important lessons of life, isn't it? So can you elaborate on that? What important lesson of life have you learned from the entire initiative?
So, ma'am, we learned how to be patient among people because
Yes.
when I went outside of the school, I went to multiple eye care shops and different schools for the drivers. So, we have to be patient while talking to them. We have to be convincing that they come into this place like this because this is for their betterment only and for our safety also.
Yes. Yes.
I think most of all, it taught me personally humility because I think seeing everybody, seeing all the people around me who we are planning this initiative for, it's been really, I think, eye-opening also. And, it has really given me an insight into their life and, how they sometimes are not able to afford eye checkups. They're not aware of how important their eyesight is and they're not able to find a medium to, get their eye tests done. So it is really, really, really enlightening.
Okay. So whatever said and done, the most important lesson that you people have learned is to believe in yourself. Isn't it? Do you agree with me? Yes, and it has been an endeavor of TIHS not to just impart bookish knowledge because it is beyond the four walls, right? Because that is what is the demand of the world. So, and again I'm saying I'm very proud of each one of you for such a wonderful initiative, So God bless you and may you all rise and shine and make a difference in the world. Thank you so much. Thank you.